Hey y'all, hey, it's Reese. Welcome back for a quick little video. First, let me say thank you to all of my old subscribers and welcome to all of my new subscribers. Do not forget to hit that notification bell so you will know every single time I come through with a new video. So with that being said, we are going to get right into this video. So I would say maybe about an hour or two. I just got finished watching Strong Mommy Chrissy. So if you watched the video that I had posted maybe like 2 days ago, I already called it. That, you know what I'm saying, she was going to come on there and do that. But let me tell y'all something right now. This is just begun. Mark my words, this has just begun. And if it is true, because in Jasmine's video, her daughter basically said, and let me tell you something, that's why it's certain stuff that you can't tell your kids. That's why it's certain things that you may talk about and you have to send your kids out of the room, Jasmine. All right? Now, your daughter basically put y'all right out there. I mean, like front and center. All right? She said, are we going to help Chrissy move? Basically, that was what she said. And we could, we could read into it. Like, what? So anyway, this is my thing. Chrissy, if you are moving again, honey, you need to go talk to somebody. Seriously. All right? Because you are loading these kids from one place to another. From one place to another. Meeting friends, leaving friends. You went on to say that you felt very, very overwhelmed. And when you feel overwhelmed, it is hard for you to work and put out videos. What I am going to say to you, Chrissy, is that you might want to go ahead and, put out some videos. So therefore, out your AdSense account, you could go ahead and give all those people back their money for the eyelashes that you had been working on for several months. You said, several. The way you made it seem was like you had to go into the actual factory where they were being made and tell people how you want them, and how you want your packaging. That is how you made it seem. Okay? Yeah. That's how you did. So you went on, like you said, that you were overwhelmed. The kids are home at school and you're not on a schedule. Wait a minute. You know what that sounds like? It sounds like you blaming it on, that your kids are there. So therefore, it is hard, for you. I don't understand. Now, Chrissy, I don't know, what's going on with you, but it seems like you are basically in a tight space, and I think that you may want some money. That's how I feel. See, this is the thing that I don't understand. And supposedly you took, these lashes or from people, whatever, so you scanned them. But what I don't get is that you are actually on camera, all right, eating all of the seafood in the sea that you could find. You were right in front of your air mattress, sitting on the floor, eating seafood. So with that being said, if you are able to get seafood, but you say that you do not get food stamps, if that is the case, what you should have done was you should have went in the house and ate you a bowl of noodles, since you like them so much and you like to give them to your kids. Yeah, you should have went in the house, gave them, that food, and you should have given the money that you paid for the actual seafood. Maybe you should have given that to the people that you ran from and is still running from because you owe them money. Did you not think that the site people were going to notice that? Like, I mean, I don't be getting it, Chrissy. You do a lot of things that are just plain outright stupid. Didn't you actually feel overwhelmed when you were actually on your third or fourth child? You didn't feel overwhelmed with that? I mean, now you got 9 kids. Of course, you are going to be overwhelmed. But with that being said, it looks like you have a couple big ones as well. All right. So you need to get them onto a schedule, like you said. I mean, you asked that anybody have any ideas. No, don't nobody have any ideas. Just get them on a schedule. I mean, it is what it is. Like, I mean, I don't get it. All right. I really don't get it. If I stole money from someone, I would be looking real crazy. I mean, I could not even have did anything like that. So that leads me to believe, like people say that you were running from Las Vegas. You had already ran from Colorado because it was people that were looking for you and they probably wanted their coins. All right. Yeah, so getting back to that, Chrissy, I think you should go ahead and hold off on the seafood and probably pay these people back. Or if you get food stamps, but you say you don't, if you do, go ahead and sell them and get these people money back. Because you came onto the camera to address that you were overwhelmed, but the kicker to it is, no, we want you to come on camera and address what happened to your lash line and what happened to pre-orders and why the customers don't have their lashes because they ain't getting them. That was what we wanted to hear. But no, we got to hear, I'm overwhelmed. Everybody's pulling me in this place. Everybody's doing this. I have to get onto a schedule. Anybody got any ideas? Girl, seriously. Ooh, Chrissy. Chrissy, I don't know what to say. I don't even know what to make out of this. Girl, let me tell you, if you are actually moving, I'm just here to tell you, people are getting ready to have a field day with you. Because if that's the case, you mean to tell me that you are getting ready to move your kids again. All right. You actually move with the seasons a lot of times. Like it's 4 seasons and that's how you move. Now, if you are moving, I will say this is ridiculous. Because you've got to remember, with kids keep moving around, it's just not good. They get used to being here at one time and they have friends there. And then with the season, you always move because you don't pay your rent. So with that being said, you need to work out something and you need to stick to it because you can't keep uprooting kids. They want to be stable. They want it to be structured. All right. But every time we look around, you are asking, saying that you're moving, and then it just gets crazier and crazier. And your kids, some of them are, a little of age, so they understand. Do they ever come to you and be like, Mom, do you know why we keep moving? Because you took money and you didn't send out their lashes? And then the thing was even more funny is that I feel like this. If Chrissy and Jasmine were on the phone, I can hear Chrissy right now. Let me use this. Jasmine. Look, go sit down. Go sit down. Take your baby brother and go cut his hair. After you are done, go ahead and put him in the bathtub. Actually, put both of them in the bathtub. When you get done, go ahead and lotion their legs down. Now we back. Hey, what's up, Chrissy? Yeah. Do you know that I'm getting like a lot of backlash on YouTube about these eyelashes that I didn't put out. So it's kind of like me, you know, taking their money. What do you think I should do? Jasmine. Chrissy, if I was you, you know, I wouldn't even worry about it. I would just, you know, take the site down. Yeah, I wouldn't worry about it because, you know, we're in this virus thing, you know, and people need money. So, like, remember when I had the registry for moving into my, remember when I had the registry for me moving into the apartment that I'm in now? And remember, you know what I mean, the gifts and everything that they sent me? Yeah, I understand, Chrissy. Yeah. I mean, you don't got it, Chrissy. You don't got it. I mean, I feel so bad for you, you know. Before you even called, I was in here crying. I was in here crying, Chrissy. Yes, I was. I was so sad that, you know, you have to go through what you have to go through. And I know me crying don't do shit, but I mean, it is what it is. But Chrissy, you should at least, you know, try to get some money so that you can give those girls or whoever the money back from the lashes. Yeah, Jasmine, you know, I'm trying. I mean, I just been so upset, you know, with everything that's going on. First, I had the exposing, you know. Second, I was homeless, but I was really, really lying, you know, the whole thing with Olivia. And it looks like Olivia is doing real good right now. It makes me feel, you know, funny inside, really funny inside. I mean, but, you know, yeah, but I mean, I just don't know what to do, Jasmine. I really, really, really don't. I don't. Chrissy, maybe you should just try to go ahead and sell a lot of those food stamps that you get. Yeah, I would say go ahead and try that. I mean, the best thing for you and how it would be easy for you to sell them is that go and stand outside of the supermarkets, and when they are going in and coming out, ask them if they would like to buy some of your food stamps. I mean, that's what I would do. And then, you know, on the other hand, you got these people around here. Yeah. But I mean, Chrissy, I'm sorry that, you know, she slipped and said that you were moving. But at the same token, like you said, I could have edited that part out. Okay. But I was thinking, you know, my way of thinking is not always, you know, on the beat. Yeah, it just don't. All right, well, I'ma call you later. All right. Y'all heard that shit? That was Chrissy and Jasmine on the phone. Crazy, right? I mean. But anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and get, you know, off of here. And let me say thank you to my old subscribers. Welcome to the new subscribers. New subscribers, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know what every single time I come through with a new video.